Medical bills are one of the most overlooked and misunderstood factors affecting credit scores. Many people don't realize how medical debt impacts their credit until it's too late. Although healthcare costs can pile up unexpectedly, the way medical debt is reported to credit bureaus and how recent regulatory changes have shifted the landscape deserves more attention in the conversation around credit repair. First, it's important to understand that medical bills themselves are not reported to the credit bureaus unless they go unpaid long enough to be sent to collections. Once a bill is sent to collections, it can show up on your credit report and significantly lower your credit score. Even if you eventually pay the debt off, the damage can linger on your credit report for up to 7 years. This is why it's so crucial to address medical bills before they reach the collection stage. In 2022, major credit bureaus made significant changes to how they treat medical debt, providing some relief to consumers. One of the key changes is the extension of the grace period before medical debt gets reported to credit bureaus. Previously, unpaid medical debt could be reported after just 6 months. Now, the grace period is a full year, giving consumers more time to negotiate payments, settle with insurance, or pay off the debt without damaging their credit. Another important shift is that as of 2023, any paid off medical debt under $500 will be removed from your credit report. This is a huge win for consumers who have worked to settle smaller medical debts, as it ensures that resolving the debt results in a cleaner credit profile. Moreover, debts under $500 no longer show up on credit reports at all, which can help people avoid long-term credit damage from relatively small medical expenses. Despite these improvements, medical debt is still one of the most common sources of credit issues, especially because many consumers don't understand their rights or the nuances of medical billing. For instance, incorrect billing by hospitals or insurance companies can lead to debt that isn't even yours being sent to collections. Understanding the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, and disputing medical debt when errors occur can help prevent unjust damage to your credit. In summary, while the impact of medical bills on credit is real, recent changes provide more room to handle medical debt responsibly. Addressing it early, knowing your rights, and understanding the reporting rules can keep medical expenses from ruining your credit score.